Today we will show you how to stabilize your clips with free software from your Sony camera, which we'll talk about in just a bit. Have you ever taken a trip with your Sony camera? Recorded lots of footage of beautiful vistas, oceans, and areas you've never visited before? Then you make it home from your trip, review your footage, and bam, you have very shaky, unstabilized footage. You can't use this. You then sit back, cry a little, and don't bother editing a next great travel vlog. Don't worry so much. We got you covered. Welcome to Tips and Trips. I'm your host, Fernando. I'm currently using a budget mirrorless camera that I'm sure you have heard of, the Sony ZV-E10. It has been a great camera, but does not have the best stabilization, as you can see from these clips. You can buy this camera for about $6.99 for just the camera body and $7.99, which includes the kit lens. While this kit lens can prove useful for vlogging, it can be more difficult to stabilize clips without avoiding a huge crop factor. This is why I recommend using the Sony f1.8 lens, which comes in at $499, but it's well worth your investment. First thing we want to do is download a special software. This software is called Sony Catalyst Browse. It is free with the purchase of any Sony camera. You just have to register the camera. Once you download it, be sure to open up Catalyst Browse and it will take you to a menu of all your clips. In these clips, you will see a little icon like this. This means the clip can be stabilized with the software. If you use active stabilization from Sony camera, the option will not be available, so keep that in mind. Once you have chosen your file, you can double click it and gives you the option of a few adjustments to the color if you like. Modify the contrast and saturation to your liking. Once you are ready to proceed, you will click here on the bottom to stabilize the clip. Once you do that, you click Analyze. This process is very fast, especially if you have a fast computer with lots of RAM. Once analyzed, create your start and end points of your footage and then start to the export process by clicking here. Keep everything to default for now to match the correct frame rate, so use the same as the source. If you do have a wide angle lens like I do, it is wise to use a crop type.
What the hell did you just say?
Of center crop. That way you don't have a super wide fisheye looking lens. This will ensure you don't have a wide angle, which I just explained. Once you hit export, you let your computer do its thing. It'll take a few minutes, so go have a cup of coffee. I believe this was a roughly 30-second clip and took 2 minutes to stabilize. Keep that in mind when you're considering using Catalyst Browse. Time will be needed to stabilize each clip, but the results will be worth it. Trust me, I have learned the hard way. If you learned something today, feel free to smash the like button and write a comment below on what other types you would like in the future to help with your vlogs. For now, check out my Las Vegas 2023 trip we took with my friends. Thank you for watching.